Hello friends, this is Sonali from the Australian Academy, and today I'm going to present in front of you the lesson 5 of our letter series, and this letter is making arrangements. So making arrangements meaning you want to organize some party or some event, and for that particular thing you are going to make some arrangements, or you want to inquire about that arrangements in a particular hotel or at any particular place. So regarding that, this is the letter to any kind of like hotel manager or any event manager. So let's see what the question for this type of letter is. You are organizing an executive event for the company you work for. Write a letter to the person in charge of a venue that you are considering for the event. Now you are working in a company, and that company is going to organize a meeting or a conference or anything like that. For that particular event, you want to consult or you want to talk to a particular event manager or any person who is in the charge of a venue at which you want to organize your meeting. So write a letter to that person. In your letter, so the 3 different questions for this type of letter are: ask for detailed information regarding the dates. Now in this type of question you want to inquire about the availability of dates. The second question is ask for services and costs. So different type of services that you want to include in your event and the cost related to that particular service. The third question is inform about additional requirements. So if you need anything else, you can inquire about those particular requirements in this, but in answer to this question. So this is a formal letter. So we are going to start it with dear sir or madam. Now, and you are going to introduce this letter first. So here I have introduced it as I am Sonali, so I have given my name, an HR manager of XX company. So I am working as an HR manager in a particular company. So you can name out any company here, or you can use word firm or enterprise. These are the synonyms for a company. After that you can say writing this letter, or you can use penning down this letter or articulating this letter. So here I am going to introduce the main purpose of my letter, which is to inform you that. So you are writing this letter to a manager of a hotel, and you want to inform him or her that our management, means your company, has decided to organize our upcoming business conference or meeting. So your company is going to organize any upcoming business meeting or any conference or any event which you want to be completed or being hosted in that particular hotel. So you are writing this letter to the hotel manager to inform about the same, that you want to book the hotel for this meeting. In your esteemed or renowned, these are the synonyms, like in your prestigious or esteemed or renowned hotel. I would like to inquire some details regarding the same. Now you want to book the hall or that particular place for your company's event or meeting, and you want some details regarding to that particular event or booking of that particular hall. So this is the main purpose of the letter, which we have stated in the first line or the first paragraph of the letter. Now let's move to the first question, which is ask for detailed information regarding the dates. Now you want to confirm the dates, you want to inquire about the availability of a particular date as per like your management has decided, and you want to inquire that if these dates are available or not. So you can say we are planning to host, so my company in which I am working, so that company is planning to host or organize the event, or you can use word meeting or conference, on the last weekend of August. Now you have particularly mentioned that on the last weekend of August you want, or your company want to organize this event. So now you are asking about the availability, whether on the Sunday or Saturday is your hall available or not. So you can say I require the venue, or we require the venue for the entire day. So on the very day which you are going to book, you need that particular hall for the whole day. Kindly ensure or notify the availability of the hall on that particular day. So you want to inquire whether that hall is available or free or vacant on that day to organize your event or not. So you have clearly asked, please notify us or please ensure the availability of your hotel or of your hall on that particular day. So you have given a like time period that I can arrange on Sunday or Saturday or Sunday. So please notify us if this hall is available or not. So next you can answer the answer to the second question. Ask for services and costs. Now here you can ask any particular service. So I have written that the gathering of 100 employees. So there are 100 employees which are going to come or join that event, or you can use a word workers, which is a synonym for employees, including some international clients. So you have mentioned that employees of our company plus some international clients are also joining this event. So I want or I request you, you can say, or kindly provide the details of all the facilities which you are going to provide. Facilities, for example, the menu, food menu, or other facilities which will be there, plus the price list. So you are inquiring about the price. So price or menu or any other facilities that you want to inquire from the manager of that hotel, you have included that in your second point, that is answer to your second question. Now let's see what is the third question. So now let's move to the third question, which was to inquire about the or to confirm about the additional requirements that you may need. So I have like included some requirements. For example, good quality system or a projector, which are required for like presentations or any conference. So you have additionally mentioned that I or the company needs these two things during that event. And then you can add an electricity backup is must to ensure the flow of the or the continuity of the program without any interruption. So next you can add another lines by saying that I hope you will be rigorous in all the arrangements, because this event is very beneficial or very valuable for my company. So you can say I will not have any, so this will not create any kind of like any sort of flaw that is detrimental to our company's pride. So now you have added another line to this paragraph, and then you can end it by saying I look forward to hearing from you at earliest or as soon as possible. And then the last thing for a formal letter is yours faithfully, Sonali. So this is how you are going to end this type of formal letter. So I hope you like this video. So continue watching this for the other lessons of this letter writing series. Thank you.